Hey learners, welcome to Ahmad Coaching and I'm your teacher Dr. Anam. Today's topic of our video is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is actually an inherited autosomal recessive disorder of red blood cells. Inherited means that this disease is transferred from the parents to their offspring or their children. The autosomal means that the gene to cause this disease is present on the autosomal chromosomes and not present on the sex chromosomes, which are X and Y. And the recessive mean that it can only express when both the alleles of a gene they are recessive. Otherwise, if one dominant and one recessive allele is present, this disease cannot express. And it is a disorder of red blood cells. Here you can see the transfer of sickle cell anemia from the parents to their offsprings. Here is the unaffected carrier. Carrier means that this father contains the gene which can cause sickle cell anemia. Similarly, the mother is also unaffected, but she is also a carrier mother. So in their offsprings, when the dominant genes are present, there will be no disease. Here these are carrier because one small r or the recessive allele is present in both these children. However, this child has both recessive alleles, which is R and R, and because of this recessive alleles, this child is going to have the sickle cell anemia. So this is how the sickle cell anemia disease is transferred from the parents to their offsprings. As I told you that this is the disease or disorder of red blood cells. So what happened that there is an abnormality in the oxygen carrying protein which is present in the red blood cell, and we know that this protein is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein which is present in the red blood cell, and it is going to carry the oxygen from the lungs and it will take it to the other parts of the body. Actually, what happened that when gene mutation takes place, in the gene mutation the codon is changed from GAG to GTG, and because of this change of A with T, the whole amino acid is changed, and the sixth amino acid in the beta globin chain of hemoglobin is changed. Here you can see this is the normal sequence of beta globin chain, and you can see that at the sixth position the glutamic acid is present. Glutamic acid is encoded by this code. But what happened in the sickle cell anemia, because of the mutation, as the code is changed, at the sixth position, the glutamic acid is changed or replaced with the valine. So, as the valine is present here, the normal shape of the hemoglobin is changed, and because of the change in the shape of the hemoglobin, the shape of the red blood cell is changed to sickle shape, and it is no more normal. When the normal red blood cells they are present, they are very flexible and they are round, and because of this shape they can easily move through the red blood cells. Even they can squeeze out of the small vessels and the capillaries to reach to the different destination. Here you can see these are the normal red blood cells, and they are moving through the vessels, and they are even squeezing from here, and without any problem they can easily move forward and can take the oxygen to different parts of the body. But what happened in the case of sickle cell anemia, the red blood cells they are changed from the normal flexible round to the sickled shape. It means that they are present in the crescent moon shape. Here you can see the shape of this is like a crescent moon. It is no more the round, the normal shape. Because of this shape, the red blood cells they are rigid and they are sticky. When the sickle shaped red blood cells they will move from the small blood vessels, they will stuck in that blood vessels, and because of this they will slow down or may block the blood flow, and because of this the oxygen to the different parts of the body it cannot be provided. The normal shape of the red blood cell is very important. So that was all about sickle cell anemia. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.